guessing competition.
I'll just tell you that I think your niece inherited something from you. Hold on, this is baby. Hold on.